All right, folks, look what we have here. A larger 2.6-gallon fuel tank from IMS Products out of Banning, California. This will increase the fuel tank capacity on this 2025 CRF450RX from stock, which is 2.1 gallon, to 2.6. Let's get to work. All right, first off, let's take this tank off and let's remove these fasteners right here with the 8mm. So take off the seat right here. Seat comes off. Put the bolts right here so we don't lose them. Let's read the instructions. All right, next we remove this fuel tank rubber strap that holds the rear of the fuel tank to the vehicle. And now the fun part, let's take off the shrouds, which should come right off really easy style. Once again, when you're working on a fresh motorcycle, everything is easy. When you're working on a motorcycle that's a little bit older, things can be a little more difficult to get off. It's cool how that little clip clips in right like that. Next, let's take off this 8mm front tank bolt, and now we can remove the fuel tank. All right, we've already removed most of the fuel from this fuel tank. Now let's pick up the tank and remove this power cable and fuel pump mechanism right here. Well, that wasn't hard at all, folks. We just had to remove the wire that connects the fuel pump and then the fuel line, both, and a little tether that's right there, really easy to remove. Now we can go about taking this fuel pump assembly off and putting it into the new fuel tank. All right, folks, here's the bottom of the OE 2.1 gallon fuel tank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8mm bolts for takeout. This is the fuel pump, and then we'll install it into the new fuel tank. Let's go. All right, folks, there it is. We've got the fuel tank on. We put the fuel pump in. It was really easy to do. We torqued the fuel bolts the best we could. We sat it in there. We put these cool lever aluminum brackets on either side to hold the tank. They're really easy to install on either side. And voila, we have 2.6 gallons, 21% more capacity than the OE configuration. $411, not cheap, but if you want 21% more capacity, this is the way to do it. Let's button this thing up. All right, folks, we got our shrouds back on. We use the OEM bolt here where the shroud connects to the lower radiator, and then IMS supplies a couple small bolts with washers to fit in this tank. This tank has a different thread pitch than OE, but no big deal because they supply the bolts. Let's roll on the seat and let's get to riding. Well, folks, we did it. We're ready to ride. We got our 2.6 gallon IMS fuel tank. We're ready to have some extra fun out in the trail. Let's go riding.